Back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to install Discord on your PC. Now, you don't have to install Discord on your PCs, you can use it on your web browser, but some people do like and prefer to use it on their PCs, so I'll show you guys how to do that right now. All I have to do is just search for Discord on Google and just head over to the main website here. One thing I will point out, if you just go directly to discordapp.com, it's a little bit easier, so we can just go ahead and do that, and it'll just bring us right into the Discord application here. And then all we have to do to download it on the desktop app is you see at the top here, it says want to take full advantage of Discord with better performance, in-game overlay, and more, get the desktop app. So just go ahead and click on download there, and then it will bring up this screen right here. So you can just decide what you're on, whether it's Mac OS, PC, Linux, whatever you're on. Just click on what you're on here. So I'm on PC, click on download, and you'll see on the setup to come down here. And you just, once this is done downloading, you can just click on Discord setup.exe, and then you want to click on run. And then we'll just give it a second to install. It's basically just going to install all the program files for you in the background. So we'll let this go ahead. And once it is done here, you will see that you now have a fancy little Discord application on your desktop. So all I have to do here is just sign into your Discord account. So you can go ahead and do that. And once you're signed in, you can see here that you fully have Discord on your desktop now. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.